Yes, the weeds are many. The weeds grow at a faster rate because the place have been used before. So we have to be in weeding every now and then. Do you spray yourself or do you get help? We get people who help us because we can no longer carry the watering jerry cans. So kids have just come back, so we hire people to help us because you cannot stop kids from going to school so they can work. They work with us when they're in the holiday, but when school starts we have to hire. What advice do you give the wives, or do you give women in general who are working alongside their husbands? The advice I can give is work together. You see, if he's not around, I can still continue taking care of this garden. There are some women who worry that I can put in my effort and then I never see the benefit of the work we've done. You know, we all benefit because when he gets the money, he takes care of our children. In that way, we all benefit. All right, thank you so much for that time. So that was our visit at Mr. Kamonde's place. We will continue.